Ride Easy Under Construction. Written by Denver Stoddart. Narrated by Candace Barnes. Forward. Anyone who has worked in the city for a number of years probably has encountered the following sign: drive slowly, under construction, work in progress. The reaction to this sign will often be annoyance and frustration. However, no matter how aggravated we may feel at the presumptuousness of such a directive, we become even further frustrated when we see the sign, detour. The presentation of these digressions is a necessary intrusion by the public works departments of many cities to ensure the safety of its residents and the future development of a city. However, in the eyes of a driver, it rings loudly as delay, hindrance, and inconvenience. To think that a service that will benefit a consumer in the long run will choose to be abandoned by a consumer in exchange for the immediate comfort and satisfaction of a few minutes. This reaction is not surprising in the society that we now live in, with its fast food, high-speed technology, and rapid action video games. The conclusion of the matter is that no one wants to slow down, wait, or be patient, even if it's for their good, with lasting benefits. Chapter 1. Ride easy, slow down, relax. Although the term ride easy is not popularly used to express the comfort of riding certain motorcycles, I choose this term to use to present the visualization of relaxation while moving forward. Picture yourself driving along a country road with beautiful landscapes on either side. The temperature is cool and just right. You have the windows down, your seat reclined, and just taking in the scenery. No cars behind you to hurry you along, and no cars before you to slow you down. Just you and the road. The presentation of this scenario is inviting because it presents two positions that we all long for, or the majority of us at least: to do almost nothing and to do what we want to do, to relax and move forward simultaneously. We may even put the car on cruise in the scenario above, which would make the experience even more rewarding. It's fine to have those tranquil moments to unwind, detox, de-stress, and to put our worries behind.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?